May 2024, Paper 2, Time Zone 1. Question 6. For question 6a, using a TI-84, we would go to Stat, Edit, then insert Test A in one column and Test B in another column. Then going to Stat, we'll go to Calculate and regression line AX plus B. Enter, and being careful, over here the equation of the regression line is y equals mx plus b. So then we would have to do Li as our x list and our L1 as our y list over here. So then we would have to go to calculate, and your r squared and your r value is over here, which is 0.901. And then to ensure that you get these values and that they show up on your calculator, you would have to make sure that your diagnostic is on. So to ensure that, you go to Second, Catalog, then you would scroll down to Diagnostic On. Enter, and enter again. Part B. For Part B, this is not appropriate for Apollo because this is extrapolation. Because the range of Test A scores not include the value of 10, and therefore Part C. This method is not appropriate for this student because this is the regression line of y on x, and so x should not be used to predict y. So in other words, this regression line uses test B to estimate the test score from test A, and so it should not be used in reverse to estimate the score on test A. Then for part 2 of C, we would use regression line again, and then go to calculate, where we see that our slope or A value is 0.987 and our B value is negative 3.21. We would use that and then predict the score of test A, and that will yield 86 to be the nearest integer of the predicted test A score.